Good morning, YouTube. It's another hot sunny day in the UK. Apparently we're ready for we're going to get some inferno weather in the next few days. The grass is just dying everywhere. It's not doing well at all. So yeah, it's not good when you're asking for rain when you cut grass. Never mind. Anyway, today's video. Today's video, you're gonna like this one. It's a Dewalt. Surprise, surprise! It's an angle grinder, cordless angle grinder. And this is one of the reasons why I've been asked by a few subscribers, even a celebrity subscriber. Thanks for watching. Why I went for the Dewalt, and this is really one of the reasons, because you can simply use their batteries in power tools. And you know, that is one of the reasons why I went for that. So this is the beast itself. Get you out the sun a bit because you're getting a bit of sun there. Yeah, this is the thing. It's got a couple of really nice features on this I do really like already. Trigger mechanism there, it's got a lock on it. And the guard, you literally just push that little tab and you can just rotate it and lock it where you want it. You can just move it really easy without unbolting shit and messing around. So that's a nice feature. Another nice feature is it's got a little button here. There. Now that, press that in. Yeah. So you press that in and it locks the head unit. It locks the head unit so you can change the blade or grinding disc or whatever you're using. So that's a really nice feature. I really like that. That will come in very handy. It's just ease of use as well, isn't it? It's just ease of use. So that's the grinder. Oh no, hang on a minute. Whoa! Hang on, it's not made in China, this isn't. Bloody hell! It's made in Czech Republic. Bloody Nora! Plastic does feel a bit different. I don't know about that one. Well, I was quite surprised when I was like, they're not made in China. No, it isn't. It's... I don't know if you can see. Might let you see, might not. What's this sun there? You're not going to do it, are you? Anyway, take my word for it. It's made in Czech Republic. You get a monster book of instructions, all different languages. And as I've said to you before many times, 3-year guarantee. You've got to register it though to get your 3-year. So just go on the thingy and register it. Once you get set up on the Dewalt dashboard, it's very easy. You just log in. You want to register a new tool, press the new tool. You have to you need to know, they want to know where you bought it from, and they want proof of purchase. Basically, you just upload it, take a picture if you want, send it, and it's registered. It's on your dashboard. And then if you have any problems with it, if you go to the Dewalt Centre, all they want is like a serial number that you get when you register it, and then they'll fix it if it's broken. Simple as that. Really easy. So that's a nice thing. Don't feel too bad. You obviously get a handle with it as well, and the handle will go on that side, or it'll go on that side, so you can have it whichever side you want. If you're right-handed or left-handed, you could do some grinding. You also get an Allen key. Now, I might be being thick here, but I can't see anything in here. Unless it's to do with that. Can't be to do with that. I don't know. I'm not sure what the Allen key is for, because I can't see anything on here with an Allen key head on it. Unless I'm being really thick, I don't know. Can't see anything. Again, with Dewalt, it's sold as a bare unit. So please, 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 why can't we just have a protective cover for this while it's not being used? Because you're going to take the battery out of this, you're going to use it as something else, this is going to be left exposed, thrown in the van, whatever. Why can't we just have a cover to go on there? Please, Dewalt, put a plastic cover on these bare units. Please. Anyway, it's got the rubber grip handle type thing there. I'm going to chuck one of the weighty batteries in it, 54 volt. The 54 volt, which will do the 18 volts as well. So when you've got that 9 ampere in, it's probably a little bit heavy, but should we weigh it? Let me weigh it 1 minute. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it's going to focus very well. It is basically 2.8 kilos. Or 6 pounds if you like. 6 pounds with the 9 ampere battery in it. That's how much it weighs. Which is not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, so that's the unit. So it takes 125mm discs, this is. It runs at 8,000 RPMs. Yeah, so that's it. This is, as I said, this is partly the reason why I went with Dewalt for the strimmer. So you can just use it for other things, and this will be mainly for sharpening blades and edge trimmers and whatever. It just makes life a bit easier. I'm going to give it a go in the garage, so let's give it a try, and then we'll call it a day. Well, here's a clip of it being used. Right, here we are. I've picked the crappiest blade I can possibly find. It's a bit manky. It's not too bad, it'll edge up. We'll just have a little play with it, see what it comes out like. As always, safety first, so put some goggles on. If you want to put gloves on, put gloves on. Entirely up to you. We're going to go gloveless. So the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it in the vise, I think, that way. This is just to have a play with it. This is not down the machine, right? So just to have a play with. Okay, it's only got 115mm disc in because I haven't got any bigger ones. I'm going to use a cutting disc, and we're going to have a go at edging this blade. explosive can out of the way. So yeah, we can always try and ricochet the spark somewhere else. Let's try that. Oh no, can't do that. That's not going to work, John. I'll tell you one thing you got to be careful about is having your finger on that trigger and moving that around at the same time, because you'll chop your fingers clean off. Anyway, that's not diverting the sparks, so let's put the blade going back to where it was. Yes, you want to put the lock on when you're messing around with it, that's for sure. Okay. I did, it has got a little bit of a spring. Is it? Yeah, it's got a little bit of spring. So it doesn't spring and whatever. Don't know what I'm talking about here, but I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so that's got a nice edge on there. There's a few little lumps in it, but obviously it's a bad blade, so it's done what we need it to do. That's not bad for an effort. Just gonna have a quick go with the flappy disc. The lock's on and the pin's in, and this is how easy it is to change. You just unscrew it and throw your disc on the floor and break it, and yeah. So the flat disc is engaged. Let's have a quick go with the flat disc. So we'll do the other side with the flat disc. And it is a 120 grit. Put the lock on, don't chop your fingers off. And that's the edge on that. If you can see very well, but that's come up quite nice. Quite like that. There is a couple of little dings in the blade, but I'd say you'd have to file them right back to get it all out. But overall, that's pretty impressive. I'm not sure whether the flat disc is better than the. Actually, I do actually think the flat disc is a better choice. Thinking about it, it does feel a bit cleaner than that. But they both come up pretty well. Gives you a good edge, which will be suitable to you know, get your blade sharp. Yeah, quite impressed with that. I really like it so far. The lock is on. I want to change the disc quick, so I lock it up, and just spin it off, and that's how easy it is to change your blade. So that's a nice feature. I do like that. You have to, you know when you have a tool for one of these, you put it somewhere and where does it go? Where does it go? You can never freaking find it. Put the lock on. The lock's on. Whoa! Edit that bit out. That bit was wrong. Let's not do that bit. That bit's, we'll have to edit that. So always supposed to be the other way. No, it's not. Whoa! Maybe you do need a special tool for it. Which you can never find. Well, crap's that. Why give us this then, and then we can't freaking tighten it up? Yeah, user error. Yeah, you've seriously got to make sure that that's locked on when you're messing around with that, because if you press that trigger, oh, you're going to lose a finger, aren't you? Anyway, some of that's probably going to get edited out because it was a load of shit, basically. So let's try again here from Act 1. So that was it. So this is the Dewalt angle grinder, cordless, 18-volt XR. Model number DCG412N, 125mm discs it takes, made in Czech Republic. And I say it's got some nice features to it. Not sure about this locking mechanism. I think it would have been better to have that safety pin on the trigger, because if you've got the lock on now, or the lock off, and if somehow you're changing the blade and you catch your finger on that, that's not going to be a good that's not going to be a good day, is it? So you need to be careful with that. Make sure your lock's on. Maybe, I don't know, that's my opinion, I don't know. I think the worst, but overall I'm pretty happy with that. It's done a good job. It's got a good edge on there. It's got to be a nice edge on that, and that's nice. There's a couple little dings in it, but it's a battered blade in it, so. But can you see? I don't know if you can see. But yeah, that's nice. Happy with that. Anyway, happy days. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that crap. This is just a little update because I'm a complete and utter donut, because this is Donuts Unlimited. The Allen key in the locking tab, the Allen key actually goes in there. actually fits in there. I didn't see that. So when you're putting your disc on, okay, and you spin it down, you press the locking pin, okay, and then there's 2 holes it's got. You put that in there like that, and then you can just nip it up, and that's how you should lock it on. It's not in the instructions, I couldn't find it in the instructions, but that's how it is, that's how it works. So yeah, forget all that shit I said before about spinning. Yeah, you do need to tighten it up, and that is what the Allen key is for. Complete user error there by me, and then you press the button in, and then you can just unlock it. So yeah, please put in the comments you're a complete nutter donut, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy days.